Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to speed up any video on your account on the explore page on your account on Rednote. So first of all, the answer is easy. First of all, click on the Rednote and here choose any video you want, for example this one, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it, and here you will find this speed up option. Click on it. As you see here, you can choose it uh, 2x speed or 1 or the normal one, anything you want here, as you see. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.